Welcome to Theology in Minutes. Today, we are stepping into a conversation that has spanned centuries, a conversation not held in words, but in stone, light, and space. We're moving beyond the typical worship wars to discover how church architecture acts as a bridge between the human and the divine. We often think of church architecture as a debate between the old and the new. But the truth is more complex. What if the building is a conversation, not an argument? It starts with space, not just a room, but a path, a processional movement toward the mystery. Some spaces invite us to be still. They pray of themselves, even when the benches are empty. We find the altar the sacramental center where heaven and earth touch, or the pulpit, where the word is proclaimed. Different tools, same spiritual goal. Some call it minimalist, but look closer at how the light hits the wall. History is always underneath. We are standing on layers of faith, whether we see them or not. Symbols are like a tangled, elusive poem. They aren't meant to be decoded in a second. The building is only one part of the equation. It is the community that brings it to life. The architecture doesn't force piety. It creates the atmosphere where our own story meets God's. It is a space between worlds, both immanent here with us, and transcendent, reaching beyond. A theology of stone requires patience. It asks us not to choose, but to behold. Theology in Minutes. Deep faith built on solid ground.